and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Sandhya and I do easy and quick Indian recipes on this channel. So today's recipe is crispy baby corn. I happen to have some baby corn with me and I wanted to try a slightly different recipe from the usual. So decided on this one. The detailed ingredients list is available in the description box below. Please do check it out. So let's have a look at the ingredients required to make this dish. I've got baby corn here, which I've sliced into 2 pieces and cut vertically, and I've boiled them in some water for 2 to 3 minutes. In here I have a combination of all-purpose flour and Maida, corn flour and some rice flour. So I've kept it all together. We'll also need black pepper, salt, a little bit of turmeric and ginger garlic paste. So let's make the batter. For the batter, into the flour, we are going to add the rest of the ingredients. Mix everything together. And now we add in the baby corn into this mixture and coat it well. Make sure it coats all the pieces nicely. Once it's all been coated nicely, we'll add some water into this little by little. So that it becomes a batter. Be careful, add only little by little so that it doesn't become too soggy. Now we are going to deep fry this. So I have a kadai in which I have some oil heating up. It's nice and hot. Now let's drop in the baby corn, few at a time. We'll cook them until they are golden brown in color. You can see these have been fried till they are golden brown, so I'm going to remove them into a paper towel and we'll fry the rest of them in the same manner. Now that the corn has been fried, let's have a look at the ingredients for the sauce. In here I've got chopped garlic, chopped green chilli, vinegar, chopped green part of the spring onion, some corn flour, white part of the spring onion chopped, some dark soy sauce, red chilli flakes and pepper powder. We'll also need a pinch of sugar and salt to make this. So let's start making the sauce. I kept a separate pan on fire to make use of a deep kadai or a wok, into which I've poured some oil. I'm using the same oil in which I fried the baby corn. So the oil is nice and hot. In goes garlic and the green chilli. Saute them for a minute. You don't want the garlic to brown, just cook it for a minute. Once that's cooked, let's add in the spring onions, the white as well as the green part. I'm going to save some of the green part for garnish. Again, saute for a minute. Make sure the flame is on high. Now, let's add in the red chilli flakes and the black pepper. At this stage, let's add a pinch of sugar. Now add in the vinegar and the dark soy sauce. Mix everything well and saute for a minute. Now we'll add in salt. I've got my corn flour which I've diluted in some water, around a teaspoon of water. Let's add this mixture into the pan. Now let's add in the fried corn. After adding the corn, we just saute everything together so that the sauce coats the corn well. Cook for a minute or so. Now you can switch off the stove. Now we'll add in the spring onion green which we have saved on top. And some white sesame seeds. Just toss it once. And the crispy baby corn is ready. So the crispy baby corn is ready. You can serve this with some noodles or some fried rice. You can also try this with some rotis. I hope you liked today's recipe. If you did, please do try it at home and let me know in the comment section. Until I see you next time, bye bye.